Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about signing up for Twitter or X Premium. So this is a premium version of Twitter, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up or beginning the process of filling that out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Twitter account and select the premium button on the left panel here. And then at this point, you would select a plan that best fits your needs, and then you would select subscribe and pay. You can select the monthly or annual plan depending on your preference. There is a slight discount if you go in with an annual payment as opposed to monthly. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and give you some additional options between basic, premium, and premium plus. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.